Greetings everyone and welcome to our Jolly Phonics Gathering. Today we are going to review the letter S. Now it's very important to remember when we're talking about letters that every letter has a name and every letter makes a sound. Do you have a name? Of course you do, and so does every letter of the alphabet. And do you make sounds? Yup, and so does every letter of the alphabet. Now, the name of this letter is S, and the sound that it makes is S. What's the name? S. What's the sound? Do you notice the action that I'm doing with my hand when I make the letter sound? Well, I'm pretending that my hand is a snake because sometimes snakes form their bodies like the letter S. And when snakes are speaking, they say S. So this action helps to remind us that S says S, and it looks like, kind of like, a snake's body. Now that we've talked about the letter S, let's take a look at our Jolly Phonics poem, or the lyrics to the Jolly Phonics song. On the title, I can see that there are two S's. They look very similar, but there's something that's different about them. Can you tell what's different between the two? Oh, one is a big uppercase S and the other one is a little lowercase s. They look the same except one is big and one is little. Now to make the letter S, we start at the top, we go up, around, down, and back up. And the same thing goes for a little lowercase s. You start at the top, you go up, around, down, and back up. Let's make an S in the air. Start at the top, go up, around, down, and back up. Great! Let's read the words to our Jolly Phonics song now. It says, "The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, 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 s. The snake is in the grass." Wow! Can you see many letter S's in our Jolly Phonics song? Me too. I can see a word here. It's here 3 times, and it starts with the letter S. Do you know what word this is? Snake. Snake. Can you say that? Snake. Good. I see another word, and it's here 3 times too. And this word is is. Can you say this word? Is. Very good. Is. I also see a word over here at the end of these sentences, and they have S at the end of the word. This word is grass. Can you say the word grass? Grass, grass, grass. Your turn. Grass. I can hear the S at the end of the word grass. All right, so we've read the words to the poem or the song, and we've looked at some of the S words. Let's sing it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, 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 s. The snake is in the grass. This time, I'm going to sing with you and do the action, so I won't be pointing to the words of the song. Let's do the action together while we sing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S, 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 s. The snake is in the grass. Let's sing it one more time. If you would like to point to the words, go ahead. If you would like to do the actions, go for it. And if you think you can do both at the same time, please send me a video or a picture because that sounds super tricky. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Oh, that was beautiful singing, my friends. All right, so I found some things around my home that start with the letter S. Would you like to see? Okay. The first thing that I have here is a spoon. Can you say that? Spoon. The other thing I have here is my supper. And for supper tonight, I have some soup. Can you say soup? Very good. And inside of my soup, I have some yummy, delicious, nutritious, sweet potato. Can you say sweet potato? Sweet potato. Very good. That was good. Now that we have talked about the letter S, read and sang the words for the S song, it's time to play a little game called Who Am I? I'm going to give you 3 clues and you have to guess who I'm talking about. Ready to play? Okay. Clue number 1. This thing is an animal. Clue number 2. This animal's body sometimes forms the letter S. Clue number 3. When this animal is speaking, it says, who am I? You have 6 seconds to figure it out. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time's up. Can you guess what it is that I was talking about? A snake. If you said snake, you are correct. Now, I've never actually seen a snake in the grass, like how the words in our Jolly Phonics song said, but maybe I will one day when I'm working on... Ah! A snake! Right there! Thank you for joining me for our Jolly Phonics Gathering. Until next time, goodbye for now.